any Python editor. Now I can open my Jupyter notebook. Why I like it is each line will be executed individually, so that's why I can use Jupyter notebook. First I can import my package of moviepy.editor, so that's why I can type import moviepy.editor. It will be run for me. You can import a package by download it by using of pip install moviepy. Before that you want to type exclamatory symbol, so pip install moviepy I can already installed, so that's why I can cancel it and can again run it. Then I can import my video file, so I can use my variable is video. Then I can access by moviepy.editor, and the main function is video file clip. Then I can type my directory of that video file. I can store it in home, Rangerpedia is nothing but our channel name, so Rangerpedia, and desktop. Then I can type 1.mp3. Then I can run it. Yeah, I can import the audio file, so that's why mp3 I can change for. Sorry guys, so 1.mp4 is a video file. I hit enter. I can search it. Yeah, it will be there. 1.mp4 it's my video file. Then I can click and run. That will be worked well. Then I can get my audio variable, so from the video, so that's why I can video.audio I can type. Then I can extract my audio file and save it, so I can use audio.write audio file underscore audio file. Then I can store it in same directory, home Rangerpedia /desktop /desktop, and type to save the new folder of 123.mp3 for the audio file. I can extract from video. It will be run it and chunk the download to extract my file. It will be downloaded 40%. I wait for few seconds. It will download it. It will be finished. I can execute the file. Then I can search my file. It will be there or not. So I can open my file manager. I can search. Yeah, it will be there. 123.mp3. I open my property. mp3 audio. It will be correctly present. Then I can open my audio file. It will be played well. So thank you guys. Keep supporting and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and to see every videos like hacking, programming, and entertainment videos, etc. Thank you.